gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Today, we're diving deep into the OnePlus 15, focusing on its stunning 1.5K display and impressive camera performance. If you've been thinking about upgrading your phone, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Starting with the unboxing experience, OnePlus keeps it clean and straightforward, as always. Inside the box, besides the phone itself, you get a 120-watt fast charger, a sturdy 12A cable, the iconic smiley face SIM ejector tool, a premium quality case, and the usual paperwork. The model I have here is the absolute black version. It's crafted with full aluminum nano A-grade glass, featuring a light reflectivity of less than 3.7%. There are no flashy colors or distracting elements, just pure elegance. The design feels minimal, composed, and powerful. The rounded rectangular camera module blends perfectly with the smooth, broad corners of the phone, giving it a sleek and balanced appearance. The metal bump is subtle, only a slight step up, keeping the surface nearly flat. It's not an over-the-top design, and the right-angled metal frame ties everything together beautifully, adding that polished, premium feel. Looking at the layout, the volume and power buttons sit comfortably on the right side, while the left side features customizable shortcut keys for various functions. The bottom houses the speaker, microphone, Type-C charging port, and SIM card slot. On the top, you'll only find a secondary mic and speaker. The rest of the openings are cleverly hidden. That clean design might make some people think there's no infrared sensor, but don't worry, it's tucked neatly inside the camera module. Now let's talk about that gorgeous display. The front packs a 6.78-inch 1.5K third-generation AMOLED screen with a 165Hz ultra-high refresh rate. The bezels are incredibly slim, just 1.15 millimeters, and perfectly uniform on all sides. It looks absolutely stunning. And even though it's not a full 2K panel, the choice wasn't about cutting costs. Instead, OnePlus prioritized a smoother, more practical refresh rate while maintaining excellent sharpness and detail. Eye comfort is also a major focus here. With genuine hardware-level eye protection and brightness that can go as low as 1 nit, it delivers a comfortable and soothing viewing experience, even in dim lighting. Under the hood, the OnePlus 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite chip paired with next-gen gaming cores. Running Honor of Kings at max settings is buttery smooth, with all graphics enhancements enabled. The G2 Esports Network chip works like a mini gaming base station, keeping your connection rock solid. Whether you're dominating the jungle or rushing into team fights, everything feels fast and responsive. PUBG Mobile currently runs at 144 FPS and will soon support 165 FPS for that ultra-high refresh experience. The combination of the touch-sensitive controls, gamepad support, and gyroscope creates an incredibly fluid gameplay feel. The 3200 Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate makes every tap and swipe unbelievably accurate and satisfying. As for Genshin Impact, I pushed the graphics to the max, and the results are jaw-dropping. The new ice and cooling system, inspired by rocket engine cooling tech, manages heat efficiently while keeping the phone comfortable to hold. Even after long gaming sessions, it only gets mildly warm. The visuals? Almost PC-level quality. And if you really want to see what 165 Hz feels like, try Delta Force. The level of smoothness is unreal, like you're part of the action. The 165 Hz refresh rate adds 45 extra frames per second compared to 120 Hz, which might not sound like much, but in fast-paced games, it's a total game changer. You see your opponent faster, react quicker, and shoot sooner. Those extra frames can literally decide who wins the match. In short, 165 Hz is more than just a number. It's like having a built-in advantage. For competitive players, it's practically a cheat code. That's the OnePlus 15 for you. Sleek, powerful, and laser-focused on performance. There's been quite a bit of buzz, and even some controversy around the OnePlus 15's camera setup. Many people are debating whether it's a downgrade, especially since it doesn't feature the Hasselblad branding and uses different hardware this time. But here's the thing. Once you actually start using it, the experience tells a completely different story. The main sensor here is Sony's IMX906, a one 1.56-inch sensor paired with Lumo Mengning's optical imaging tech. And honestly, the results are way better than expected for its class. The detail it captures is impressive. Zooming in 10x still shows crisp leaf textures and natural-looking skin tones. Shots of buildings come out sharp with rich sky detail and lifelike colors. Even in tricky lighting, like night scenes or areas with strong contrast, it handles exposure beautifully. Portraits, too, have a natural warmth that really stands out. The telephoto lens deserves a special mention. Even at 7x zoom, the image quality holds up incredibly well. Close-up shots of flowers look stunning, easily comparable or even better than what some imaging-focused flagships can deliver. Push it to 20x zoom, and it still maintains clarity without turning into a pixelated mess. Telephoto portraits, in particular, come out gorgeous. Beautiful subjects framed by beautiful backdrops. In terms of functionality, the camera also packs some seriously fun tools. The Pro Video mode includes histogram support, letting you fine-tune exposure and adjust brightness later to bring out more detail. You also get features like focus peaking with color marking for manual focusing, super handy for creators. The newly updated Shadowless Capture 3.0 system helps freeze perfect moments instantly, while 4K 120Hz recording delivers sharp, smooth footage with a wide dynamic range, perfect for post-editing and color grading. It can even create ultralight 4K GIFs effortlessly. Close-up clips feel lively and realistic, portraits look mesmerizing, and live streaming with Flash produces an awesome cinematic atmosphere. Now let's talk about battery and charging. The OnePlus 15 is equipped with a massive 5730 mAh Glacier Battery, supporting 120-watt wired flash charging and 50-watt wireless fast charging. It also includes bypass power and in-game charging, so you can play while charging without overheating. The body is both water and dust resistant, giving it solid durability for everyday use. The phone runs on ColorOS 16, and it's smoother than ever. Fast, refined, and efficient. One-tap AI recording lets you capture and organize moments instantly, and the one-click file transfer system works seamlessly with Apple devices, making switching phones completely stress-free. You'll also notice new touches like refreshed inspiration themes, customizable widgets, and detailed photo albums. The upgraded shooting mode now gives you real-time image previews while shooting, making the whole process more intuitive. Overall, these refinements all come together to create a phone that feels incredibly polished and balanced. Instead of just chasing bigger specs, OnePlus has focused on elevating the experience. At first, many thought choosing a 1.5K display over 2K was a downgrade, but in reality, the difference in resolution is barely noticeable. What truly makes a difference is the 165 Hz refresh rate. That's 45 extra frames compared to 120 Hz. Even if you're not a gamer, you'll instantly feel how much smoother and faster everything looks and responds. This choice sets a new benchmark for smartphone screens going forward. As for the camera, OnePlus focused on improving photo success rate, because no matter how powerful your hardware is, if your shots don't come out right, it doesn't matter. With the OnePlus 15, capturing great photos is easier and faster, and most users will find it a big leap from the previous generation. Other small but thoughtful upgrades make a difference too, like the 120-watt fast charging, especially when some competitors are still stuck at 100 watts despite having massive 7,000 mAh batteries. It's clear that every detail here is designed with real-world use in mind. In short, the OnePlus 15 is a refined powerhouse. Elegant, smartly designed, and full of meaningful upgrades. The starting price in China is 3,999 yuan, which roughly converts to about 428 pounds in the UK or $563 in the US. And that wraps up today's review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.